Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we have got the Gel Box UK box here. I'm so excited to see what is in here. This is obviously June's box, and as you can see it's got a 1 on it. Please ignore my finger on this hand, it is disgusting, but I'm not like it wasn't anything awful. Like, I literally was just feeding the goat and I put my hand through the gate and, like, you know, I was meant to be feeding it, by the way. It wasn't just a random goat, it was at like a park. But anyway, not really relevant, but let's have a look what is inside this box this month. So let's read this real quick. June the 5th marks 1 year since we sent out our very first gel box. 12 months and 12 boxes later, and here we are. Enthusiasm has really been appreciated in our journey to provide you with fabulous nail art. Seeing what you all have managed to create with has been nothing short of fantastic. I'll leave it there for you to read the rest because I'm not a reader, like an out loud reader basically, but look how beautiful that is. It's just great. And then we've got these cute stickers. Obviously this is what you can create with the products that are in the box, so that is very exciting to see a little sneak peek of what we can expect in here. Let's have a look. So we've got this. Are they earrings? Oh my god, they are incredible. Look at those. Wow. Now we've got a beautiful, beautiful silver glitter. Look how sparkly that is. That is stunning. And then we've got another cuticle oil, which I am buzzing about because these cuticle oils are just amazing. They all smell amazing and last ages because they're huge. We've got obviously something in here. Oh, we've got a polygel brush. So you get the spatula on one end and the brush on the other. I'm not sure what this was for. Was that in there? I don't know. And then we've got, oh my gosh, we've got chrome. How exciting. We've got a chrome palette. I keep seeing these everywhere and I haven't actually haven't bought one yet. Is it a chrome? It might even be a chrome. It might be eyeshadow. I don't know. This is the problem with using these, is I don't know whether it's eyeshadow or chrome, but I'm going to use it as a chrome. We'll give it a go. So we've got that. Oh, we've got a sculpture gel. How exciting. Gosh, this box is really incredible. Is that the gel? I mean, I definitely shouldn't be putting my dirty hands in it. No, it's not. Is it? It is. Oh, that's amazing. Well, anyway, I'm going to stop putting my hands in because I've got black stuff all over it, which obviously is not ideal. But yeah, so that is a sculpture gel. It is the white one. And then obviously, like every other month, we've got our 4 gel colours. These are stunning, might I say. They're neutrals as well, so always going to be popular. Let me just get rid of this packaging for a second. I'm sorry if you can hear a child in the background of this video. It's in my niece. We have her every Tuesday morning, and today is Tuesday. Obviously she's not in this room, but she's very, very vocal in her own way, bless her. She's nearly 2, so she's very, very talkative. And then here are the colours. So we've got, what are they called? Bottomless Brunch. Just get a duster brush to dust it off. This one's called Bottomless Brunch, and it is this colour. Beautiful, beautiful nude. And then we've got this one, which is called Don't Tell the Bride. And it's beautiful, like terracotta. Well, I don't know if it is terracotta. It's a bit pink, but also a bit terracotta. So it's a bit difficult to explain, but it's very, very pretty. And that's the main thing. Obviously I will swatch them. And then we've got Marbella Sunset. I really read that as it was spelt, didn't I? At first glance. Wow. This is definitely going to be popular with my clients. It looks a lot more orange on camera than it actually is, but it is stunning. And then last but not least, we've got Villa Saint-Tropez. And it is another different shade of nude, but my clients love neutrals all year round, so I know that I'm going to get a lot of use out of these. So I'm going to pause the video now because I've got a client in any minute, and then when I come back, which obviously for you will be instantly, we can swatch them and see what they look like. Okay, so it's actually 2 days later now, I'm not going to lie, I got a bit sidetracked, but let's start the swatching. So we've got Bottomless Brunch, which is this beautiful nude. Just zoom in a little bit. Oh my gosh, I love this. These colours are always so nice. They're always so creamy to apply, and the coverage is always amazing. Like, I don't think I've had one colour from this brand yet that's not been perfect coverage, which I think is pretty good going. A lot of them are actually really good in one coat as well. There's been a few times where I've received these colours and I've not even bothered doing a second coat because they're just so good in one. But that's Bottomless Brunch, one coat. So I'm going to pop that one in. And then second, we've got Villa Saint-Tropez. Just give it, move that over so I don't cure this. Ooh, this is nice. Because I still class these as like nudes, but they're just like really warm nudes, which is obviously perfect for this time of year. And the clients that I've got that love a neutral are going to love this, because you get the best of both. Like, you get to have a neutral and colour, like basically at the same time sort of thing with these ones. Are really pretty. And then we've got Don't Tell the Bride is the third one. Oh, that one's pretty. I'll obviously show you them all next to each other at the end when I've done the second coat on them all. And I can put them next to each other. Just going to turn the lamp back on. I'm doing it on the bottom so I don't have to, because I'm lazy, I don't want to have to top coat. But that's that one. I'm going to put that one in. And I'm really looking forward to this one. Wow, what a stunning colour. This is going to be perfect for those clients that want an orange but they don't want bright, because quite a few of my oranges are quite bright. But that's that one. So I'm just going to cure all them, do the second coat quickly off camera, and then I'll show you what they all look like next to each other. So just quickly, while they're in the lamp, as ridiculous as they look, because those bits where there's like bits missing is where I've accidentally filed my nails and there's no white top coat left. But these are the chromes, all 4 colours. How stunning are they? I mean, obviously they look better if they're like proper full coverage and were applied properly, but how beautiful are they? And they did apply so easily, like really easily. Look at that. And I've had this top coat on for, I don't know, like a week now, I think, something like that. Like, it's been there for a while, and these are sticking really well. Like, straight away. I'm not even putting loads of pressure on or anything and having to like really scrub it in or something. I'm just putting it straight on really quickly, and it's that easy. Just look at it. Perfect. So yeah, definitely recommend those pressed chromes. And obviously there's no mess either, which is the best thing ever. With normal like potted chromes, obviously it goes everywhere. It's an absolute nightmare. But I'm just gonna quickly wipe this off now, because obviously it's not a very good look when it's not applied properly. But that just goes to show how well these applies. I've had this top coat on for ages. Like, it's not fresh out the lamp and a bit tacky still, or a bit warm or anything like that. Like, it is literally old. It's been on for ages, and they've just stuck that easily. Can't believe it. That's amazing. But anyway, so here are the colours. So we've got, let me just lie the bottles down so I can see the names as I take them out of the lamp. We've got Bottomless Brunch. We've got Villa Saint-Tropez. We've got Don't Tell the Bride. And last but definitely not least, we've got Marbella Sunset. How stunning are those colours? They're just beautiful. I'm absolutely over the moon with those. They're so pretty, and I just know that my client's going to love them, because even though there is colour to them, they're still really neutral, and I do have a few clients who are partial to a neutral. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with those. Yeah, so that's it for this video, and obviously you saw all the chromes as well, which is fab. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye.